Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best silicone oven mitts that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Auzilar Silicone Cooking Gloves Long Waterproof Non-Slip Potholder for barbecue, cooking, baking. The Auzilar Silicone Oven Mitts are available in gray, black and blue colors. They have high heat resistance for up to 464 degrees Fahrenheit. The top silicone layer has a textured surface to give anti-slip gripping to hot cookware, pots, pans, and dishes. The length of 13.7 gives you extra forearm protection from any accidental spills. Moreover, it can be easily cleaned even if it gets dirty with grease, any sauces, or marination, etc., as it doesn't absorb any such thing, so no stains or odors remain and washing is exceptionally easy. The silicone oven mitts can be washed by hands or put into the dishwasher. Use the loop in the mitts to hang them to dry, and also store them. It is the best gift for the ones who love cooking and baking and barbecuing. Moving on at number 4, we have the Gorilla Grip Premium Silicone Non-Slip Oven Mitt, Professional Heat-Resistant Kitchen Cooking. The Gorilla Grip Silicone Oven Mitts are available in black and aqua colors. They give you the best baking and cooking experience. These pairs of mitts are made with durable silicone that is textured in the honeycomb design to give you an anti-slip grip of the hot pots and pans that you need to handle while baking and cooking. The Gorilla Grip silicone mitts are heat-resistant and can protect you from temperatures up to 484 degrees Fahrenheit due to its compositional layers and the length of 12.5, to give coverage up to your forearm. The silicone oven mitts is waterproof and therefore would not let hot water, liquids come through. Cleaning them is easy too, just use soap and running water and you are good to go. The lining inside with polyester filling makes the mitts very comfortable to use. Along with that, it has loops to hand it around in the kitchen to be readily used. Most importantly, it is FDA approved, BPA-free and non-toxic, making it a safe choice for you and your family. It comes with a 10-year guarantee, and you can return refund, or replacement after passing standard return window. Customer care is our priority. At number 3, we have the Rachael Silicone Kitchen Oven Mitt with Quilted Cotton Liner. The Rachael Silicone Oven Mitts are available in many brilliant colors and can be bought singly or in pairs, whichever color they are available in. They are designed to provide protection from burns and accidental slips. The materials used are all 100% cotton, silicone, and polyester filling, which gives a heat resistance for up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The textured silicone oven mitts top layer also provides a non-slip grip for handling hot pots and pans. Inner cotton lining is there to provide added comfort and further protection. These mitts can be washed easily with hand and are quick to dry. At number 2, we have the BESTonZON heat-resistant oven mitts and pot holders. The BESTonZON silicone oven mitts are available in bright colors of red, beige, black, and gray. They are highly heat-resistant for up to 482 degrees Fahrenheit that protects your hands, wrists, and forearms from any burns. It is made from soft quilted cotton used for the inner lining, and the silicone non-slip grip on the top layer to protect from burns and accidental slips. The material is flexible and comfortable for use. Moreover, it is designed in a way to be used by both right and left hands. The size of the mitt is 13 inches by 7 inches to give protection till forearm, and the size or the potholder is 7 inches by 7 inches. The mitts as well as the potholders are washable in a machine in cold water and dried with low, tumble dry. It is completely safe to wash and dry it in the machine. And finally at number 1, we have the OXO Good Grips Silicone Oven Mitt. The OXO silicone oven mitts is of 13 inches in length to protect the hands, wrists, and forearm. It fits perfectly on your arms and doesn't slip. The diamond pattern provides an anti-slip and complete grip on the pots and pans. Moreover, the mitts are flame, stain, and steam resistant. The inner is lined with fabric that provides extra insulation and comfort. It even has a hanging loop that can be hung and therefore accessed quickly. In addition to that, it can be conveniently washed with a damp cloth. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.